Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. Today you will learn how to deactivate Instagram account without waiting a week. For that you need a browsing app. Open a browsing app. Make sure you type in delete your account, not deactivate. Just bear with me and I'll show you the procedure. Tap on delete your Instagram account. Go to second option that says delete your Instagram account. Scroll down. Go to delete your account into this browser and you will see why do you want to delete your account. Give any option. Enter your password. My account will be deleted on April 9, 2023. That means I have 1 month time as of today. And if I log back in before this mentioned date, then I can restart my account. Tap delete account. This is how you deactivate your account without having to wait a week, but make sure you get logged in before the mentioned date. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos.